Out here, Jeff Crow is the match referee who's got the coin, boys. Shahid Afridi to flip the coin. Tails is the call.
Tails, it is India.
MS, what have you decided?
I will bowl first.
Series outcome, the Pakistan openers as India gets set with their huddle. First ball, Ashish Nehra, Mohammad Hafiz. And good swing in straight away, BBS. And that could be the first boundary for Pakistan. Oh, is there an edge? He's walking. That's the first. Good bounce for Ashish Nehra. VVS Lakshman was talking about how he's giving Dhoni the wickets he needed at the top of the order. This is not what Pakistan wanted. The professor's gone. Mohammad Hafiz, after that sumptuous boundary, he's gone for 4. And Pakistan 4 for 1. Right, he's gone through the first big bludgeon shot of the day. Oh, it's a good shot, that. Oh, it's taken. This is a tremendous comeback by Jasprit Bumrah. This is what Ramesh was referring to a little while back. See off this new ball. India have struck not once but twice with it now. And I'm afraid Sharjeel Khan, after a couple of good shots, has gone for just 7. It's 22 for 2. Oh, it's a good shot. Just got a bit of wit. The ball gone up in appeal. Not out, says the umpire. Dhoni was out straight away. Ashish Nehra didn't even feel the need to appeal. He was charging down, claiming the wicket. Then they turn around. Wow, what a moment. Fine down the leg side for 4. No trouble at the non-strikers. Then done it. Another run out. Virat Kohli. What a fielder. There wasn't a run there. I just wonder if Shoaib Malik has called and sent him back. But Virat Kohli didn't have much of stump to aim at, and he's got it directed. And I'm afraid Khurram Manzoor has got to go. They're still having a little conversation, and then he goes. But this is another wicket down for Pakistan. And Khurram Manzoor's gone for 10. It's 32 for 3. Why is that wicket number 4? Yes, it is. Huge wicket. Shoaib Malik, the most experienced T20 batsman in that Pakistani side, has to go. Outside edge and an easy catch for MS Dhoni. Shoaib Malik gone for 4. It's 35 for 4. Oh, that could be close. Yuvraj Singh gets a wicket in the very first delivery of the over. Huge wicket. Yuvraj Singh brought into the attack, does the trick. 35 for 5, Pakistan in a mess. Umar Akmal gone for 3.
That's hit behind point. That's gone away for 4.
I really do. It's up to these two guys getting a partnership. They're looking for 2, and they're in a bit of trouble. Oh, is he gone? Oh, my word. What is happening here in Dhaka?
Oh, he's gone. He is gone. You don't take Jadeja's arm on. Captain goes for 2. New batsman in Wahab Riaz. It's a quicker delivery and gone. The finger is raised. Another one bites the dust.
Well, he was looking to hit it hard. And the fans are disappointed. What is happening? Pakistan is disintegrating with the bat. And the latest casualty is Wahab Riaz, gone for 4. 7 down for 52. Oh, that's delicate. That's subtle and beautifully done. A bait shot into the gap. He likes that area. muscles it into the fence.
Oh, yes!
Well, here's another one. Batting so well was Sarfaraz. Just about to tell you what a calm head he's got on his shoulders. And Sarfaraz is gone to Jadeja. Right, he's connected on that one and connected well enough. Right, now that is where the ball has gone, exactly where the fielder was moved. Raina completes the catch. He moved it exactly the previous ball. Pandya has delivered the ball, the captain's asked of him, and Sami has played the shot the captain wanted the Pakistan batsman to play straight into the hands of Suresh Raina. And Pakistan are 83 for 9.
And that is an absolute jackpot. What an innings that was for this young man. Pandya, 3 wickets.
Oh, he's just growing in confidence, Pandya. What a spell of fast bowling from him. 3 wickets for just 14 runs. And Pakistan bowled out for 83. Not even playing their entire quota of 20 overs.
Well, there you have it, folks. India need 84 runs from 120 balls here on a difficult pitch, it must be said, here in Mirpur, the national stadium here, Mirpur in Dhaka. Oh, that's worth the shout. That's got to be really close. Oh, my dearie. Oh, they can't believe that's out. Why? Well, I thought that is just plum. Oh, there's another shout. Did he hit that? He has it. Oh, that's the start the Pakistanis wanted. Wow, that's all happening here, VVS.
A big wicket for Pakistan. Rohit Sharma, the man in form. What a start. Then Mohammad Amir. Rohit Sharma got out without opening his account.
Now Virat Kohli. Oh, that's worth a shout too. That's worth a shout too. There's another one. Oh, the green team. Pakistan. 2 big wickets.
It's not over as yet. Ajinkya Rahane goes without bothering the scorer, without opening his account. It's 2 for 2 India.
In the air. Oh, there's number 3. Oh, there's number 3. Pakistan are back in this game.
It's all happening here. Suresh Raina on the face of the bat a little too early.
Well, Suresh Raina goes for 1. It's 8 runs for 3 wickets. Oh, magnificent shot.
Oh, was in the air. It's just those little things that you need as a side. Oh, that is the shot of the day. The shot, call it what you will. Oh, put down. Shot for 4. Just a little bit of width. Gee, Virat Kohli is bouncing on those. And that's in the gap too. And that's in the gap as well. See, it's almost like he chose it. This is the over that finishes it all. That's in the gap too. And we'll run away for 4. When I said wonderful cricket, that's what I meant. Wow. I think there's a bit of an inside edge on that. Up goes the finger. I thought I heard a second sound. Virat Kohli is distraught, but he'll still have to go. He's 49. He'll look back at the end of his career and say, of all the many innings I've played, I'll remember this one with great warmth.
Let's have a look. Did he get an edge? Yeah, he got a feather on it. There's no doubt to me he got a feather on it, but it's to the umpire's defence. It's very difficult with the noise of the crowd. There wasn't much deflection there, but we could hear it in the stump mics. Well played, 76 for 4.
Oh, there's an edge. And taken, another one goes. This 8 needed, but Pakistan keep chipping away. Mohammad Sami gets another. 76 for 5. And all those who are putting the candles, just hang on.
Pandya goes for a duck. It's 76 for 5.
Smashes that. Once again, Mahendra Singh Dhoni is there at the end. And India complete a famous win, winning by 5 wickets over Pakistan after the bowlers had set it up with 83. And Virat Kohli's 49 steered India home on a pitch that was treacherous to start off with and grew friendlier as it went along. But look at the nonchalance of MS Dhoni. He just comes in, smashes 7 for 3 and says, gentlemen, right, let's go back and have a second cup of tea.